Here's how to use a TikTok template in CapCut. Now, if you're in TikTok and you see a video that you love and you want to bring it over to CapCut so that you can use that template for your own videos, I'll show you how to do it. Let's open up TikTok here, and what we're going to do is you can just scroll through videos and find a video that has one, but I'm just going to hit the search button at the top right. And then I am just going to search for CapCut templates right here. And now you can go through this list. You can find a bunch of different CapCut templates. You can also tap on users here because you can see here CapCut has 13.4 million followers and they post some of their best templates on here as well. So you can go through here. Let's say this one has 3 million. So you can see this has 3 million views, 10,000 likes. If you wanted to go through and use any of these templates, you can just scroll through until you find one that looks like this. At the very bottom, it says CapCut, wish I could get it. And you just tap on it. And it says, do you want to use this in template in CapCut? I can hit that button. Let's just hit skip here. And for some reason, let's go back, use this template, and there you go. It pops up with that template directly in CapCut. Keep in mind, if you don't have CapCut already on your device, you'll have to download and install it from the App Store or Google Play Store, and then just hit use template from here. And then you can choose a random video and hit preview. And then you can basically edit it, do whatever you want with it. And when you're ready, hit the export button at the top right, and then you can export it and use it on TikTok yourself. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.